Mix mushroom risotto with fresh garden salad. Prepare the ingredients. Finely dice 1 onion. Chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut 1 handful of button mushrooms into quarters. Cut a small handful of oyster mushrooms and a handful of enoki mushrooms. Slice 1 celery stick lengthways and then cut them into small pieces. Chop 1 handful of parsley. Cut 1 cucumber into small pieces. Cut 1 lemon in half. Chop 1 small bunch of mint. Measure half a cup of pine nuts and half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes. Place a large handful of baby spinach leaves. Prepare 6 cups of vegetable stock. The ingredients are now prepared. Heat a pan over a high heat and add the onion and celery. Add the various mushrooms and saute. Add 1½ cups of arborio rice and mix well. Add the rosemary leaves from the sprig. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable stock and stir. Meanwhile, prepare a handful of spinach. Add the pine nuts. Add the sun-dried tomatoes. Add the diced cucumber. Add the chopped mint leaves. Squeeze over the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1 more cup of vegetable stock to the risotto and stir well. Allow the liquid to be absorbed. When the stock has been absorbed, add 1 more cup and stir. Continue to adding a cup at a time as the stock is absorbed. Finally add the chopped parsley, mix well and serve.